Hello and good day. This one is Mercedes SLK 200 convertible. Today we are going for its battery replacement. As you can see, 12 volt 74 ampere and our battery is currently installed in it, and we are going for 80 ampere or Delkor replacement. Currently we are placing a backup battery so that computer would not lose its system memory and will not erase miscommunication fault codes. As you can see that the battery is now unclamped. This one is the original 74 ampere hour. We are going for this product replacement. You can see this one is 80 ampere hour, same tin type. This one is made in Spain, made by Johnson Controls, and it is designed on power frame grid technology. As you can see, the terminals are now tightly clamped, and we are going to install scanner. ये 2000 ऊपर वाला पीछे करो. Pause कर दो इसे. These are the fault codes which are raised in this vehicle. We are going to clear them and vehicle will start performing healthier. Actually, these faults are raised due to the miscommunication from battery to the power control module of vehicle. As it gets weaker, it doesn't give its full amps to all those sensors, and as a result in different modules it generates fault codes. Now vehicle will start performing healthier. Thanks for watching. Wajid, Pakistan.